Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in Southeast Toyota Finance. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in Southeast Toyota Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Now this will lead you to a login page. Here you have to type in your username or your password. So type in your username. Now type in your password. Now if you have forgot your username or your password, you can click on this link and recover it. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click on register and create a new account. Now click on sign in, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Southeast Toyota Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.